about to get hit.
We about to get hit by a car.
Down like this.
But now you guys subscribe though.
Leave your what?
Alright, hold on.
I ain't leaving nothing now. I said,
Alright, let's go.
You about to get hit.
We about to get hit by a car. Alright, here again.
Get straight to.
You want to stretch on the...
Yeah, let's stretch, please.
Where you want to do it? Over there? So good morning guys. So yesterday's vlog, I took you guys on my morning routine. I took you to work out with me hiking. And I showed you like a full body workout. I'm going to tag that video right here. And now today, I'm just going to jump straight into our workout. We start our hike. I'm out of breath already. It's so peaceful out here. I hope you guys are being active. I hope you guys are being productive during this quarantine. I'm taking advantage of the quarantine. This is a real workout. Okay, look at this hill, guys. This is gonna be like painful walking back up here.
Yeah, this part. This is the part that I hate.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't.
Cupping up it.
Okay.
You ain't going down.
I know.
This song gonna be hell coming back up.
Yes, it is. Cause we've been doing it like for 3 days straight.
I know for some reason when we took that new route, it took us back to here.
Right.
Right here. I said, well, damn. I was hoping it was taking us faster.
I know I need my mask on, guys. Okay, one more thing guys, and then I'm gonna go back to my workout and I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Okay, yesterday I was on the phone with my goddaughter's aunt for like always just like 2 o'clock in the morning. We're talking about business. She's starting to start her business and she asked me how to set up her website, the payments and all that. So I want to do a series on how to start and run a business, and I'm out of breath. I think it'll be helpful because my last how to start a business vlog went to 18,000 views, guys. But none of you guys subscribe though. So I'm gonna give you some time right now to subscribe to my channel. I upload every day while under quarantine. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, vlogs, fitness, and lifestyle. I'm out of breath, guys. Okay, so now that's out, we're gonna have to go back to this workout. And I hope you guys are working out too. I want you guys to comment what you guys doing while you under quarantine. And then comment if you guys are working out or doing any of my workouts and tag me in it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. My link is gonna be right here. Follow Jasmine. Yes, it is? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put their Instagrams too. You guys can follow them. You already gonna know Jasmine.
Yes, follow and subscribe.
Yes, and follow
At the Latrice on everything.
There we go. I'll put their links in the description box. All right, let's get to this workout, guys.
That's what I feel about you. That's what I feel about you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mm-hmm. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I can't keep my back
7, 8, 9, 10.
I think I was doing it too hard.
Huh?
Was you lifting your back up off the ground?
Ready?
Ready?
Ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Oh my.
That sound was right in your face, wasn't it?
I know. Thank you. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh shit.
1.
I feel like y'all could do 10.
It hurts.
I feel like y'all could do
Or
10.
just count a little faster than
Oh, don't tell me to count
If we
faster.
want to do 10, just count a little faster.
Oh. Our damn ladies, 10.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3. Wait, how am I doing it? Sorry, Nay. How am I doing it? Is it
I did like, okay, I did yours.
side, 1,
Yeah.
side, 2?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm done. 1, 2,
2. Girl, go. 3, 4. Come on. This was your idea.
My idea. Shit, that was always my idea.
Yep, just like yesterday.
Okay.
4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
Okay.
You got 3 more.
My stomach is weak.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright. You doing bicycles first or the twisting?
Bicycle.
Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's that?
Yeah.
My arm's like.
What are you doing? Bicycles?
Another set.
Okay.
Up. 1,
Oh, shit.
2, 3.
Too far back, probably.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
My stomach kind of hurt.
Say good. Good.
Yeah, all the sky needs to go.
Now we can do side by side.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. my arm started shaking.
Okay. Whew. We just got finished our abs. We're to do a walk. I had to go to my car. Wait. So we just finished our abs. I had to go to my car and get some water. I bought 2 waters. One was just cold, one was frozen. My abs hurt already. But yeah, we're gonna get it together. This is real.